Hello kids, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about excavator names.
An excavator is a heavy construction machine consisting of a boom, dipper or stick, bucket, and cab mounted on a rotating platform called the house. It is commonly used in construction, mining, demolition, and landscaping tasks. The primary function of an excavator is to excavate or dig soil, rocks, and other materials from the ground or surface.
Friends, where are you going? Please subscribe my channel.
Excavators are equipped with a hydraulic system that powers the movement of the boom, stick, and bucket, allowing for precise control and efficient operation. They can also be fitted with various attachments such as grapples, hydraulic breakers, and augers to perform a wide range of tasks. Excavators come in different sizes and configurations to suit different job requirements, from small compact excavators for urban construction to large hydraulic excavators for heavy-duty excavation projects.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.